Joe Beermaster. Today we have a 17 Nissan Pathfinder. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out, which is easy but a little bit difficult. So you want to open the hatch and then you want to pull this panel out. It clicks in. Already had it pre-loosened. And inside here you're going to see bolts, 2 bolts that hold it on. We already have them out. They're 10 millimeters. You may have a Phillips screw in there depending on who installed it. Then once you have it loose, you got to really wiggle it and pull it. And it's in there real tight. So I'm going to show you this side. There's the 2 holes for the screws. And the other thing that holds it is these grommets here. Let's see if you can see. See that right there? There's 2 of them. I'm going to tell you, it's very difficult to get them out of that. There's the push pins. So once you get this loosened, you have to wiggle it, pull. Do not push it forward. Normally when I show the video, I show you pushing the tail light forward. It's got a more come. Let me go to this side. I already have it out so I can't show you because it took us a long time to get it out. A little extra than usual. You got to pull on this very hard. Try to pull under here if you can, if you have the bumper off. But you have to pull the light out. You know, it's not a lot of people want to put a screwdriver in here and pull that out. It's very, very difficult. But they do have a little tool that slides under here. But the idea is to move the light in that direction. Hit it out. See that? It's already clicking and coming out. So you just keep working it, and I guarantee it will pop out. It's almost going to feel like you're going to break it, but you're not. You could break it if you're too rough. And then if you need to change a bulb, you just unscrew it like a Christmas light. Each light has a number on it, or you can call your local supply house and tell them what that bulb is for, the reverse light turn signal, whatever, and they will give it to you, and you just plug it in like a Christmas tree light. And that's it. Pretty simple, but this one was particularly hard to get out. Just took a little extra time and patience. This one popped out easy on this side just now, just showing you, but it was more difficult on that side. So that's how it's done. The idea is be patient, keep pulling this way, and wiggle and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And it will come out. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Alright, so it came out. Pretty good.